Call extensions is a great way to get someone to click a link on your Google Ads and call your business. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to get this set up. Hello, my name is Uzair and thanks for joining in. In this video, I'm going to show you why you should set up call ads, why they are important, and how they work. So call ads, or call extensions I should say, is a great way for someone to call your business. So what happens is when your ad is shown on Google, there is a link on the ad which can be clicked, and your phone is going to start dialing out. And then once they call your business, then the ball is in your court as to how you may convert that potential lead. A lot of business owners or advertisers don't set this up the right way, and it needs to be set up with the call conversion tracking as well before you'll be able to see what is working and what's not working. So before I go into my Google Ads account to show you how to set up the call extension, let's head off to the Google Support Center, and then we see what call extensions is all about. I'll enlarge it a bit so you can read it a bit better. So call extensions let you add phone numbers to your ads, which can significantly increase your click-through rates, and obviously this will improve your ad rank as well as the quality score. When your call extensions show, people can tap or click a button to call your business directly. That means more customer engagement with your ads and more chances for you to get and track your conversions. Okay, so before you begin, so call extensions are the easiest way to add phone numbers to your ads. It really is very simple. If you attempt to include a phone number elsewhere in your ad, it may lead to disapproval of the ad. So never put in your phone number in the actual ad, whether it be in the headline or the description line. It will get disapproved. So if you like to include a phone number, it's best to use a call extension. You can also create call only campaigns, which is a bit different to what I'm showing in this in this video. So we'll talk about call only ads in a different video. So how it works, so here are the key points to know about call extensions. Phone or website. When your call extensions show with your ad, people see your number, or when the device can make calls, a clickable call button pops up, or it's shown on the ad. People can also click on your ad to go through to your website as well. So they've got two options. They can either click to call or visit the website. You can also set up the call button during business hours. If you don't want to show the call button outside of business hours, you can do that. A call is a click. So clicks on your number are the same cost as the headline clicks, or if somebody came through to your website, it's the standard CPC. So it doesn't cost more or less if somebody clicks to call. And this is the easiest conversion tracking. There's no tags involved, nothing like that. All you do is set up the conversion by simply turning on the call reporting in your account. Available on search network only, and call reporting uses Google forwarding number to give you detailed conversion information. So what happens is when someone clicks on the call button, they are taken through a Google forwarding number to your website, and that's pretty much it. There's some more blurb over here which is fairly generic. You can come here and have a read about it. So let's head off over to our account, and first of all I want to show you how to set up your call conversion tracking. So now you go to plus, you've got these four options. Go on to phone, and you want to select the first option, which is the calls from ads using call extensions or call only ads, and none of the others, just this one. Continue. What I tend to do is I put in call from ads and then the phone number. I know that this is the one which I have set up. You can put in a value of each call if you know the value per lead. You want to select the count as 1 because recommended for lead signups and other conversions. The every is used for e-commerce. Call length, you can decide how long you want the call length to be classified as a conversion. Anything about 20 seconds or so, or 30 seconds is a good time. That means somebody has not accidentally clicked on it and then they hung up the phone. So we don't want those calls to be classified as a conversion. So this, in 30 seconds, you will have some kind of meaningful conversation as to someone is inquiring about you and your business. Click-through rate, you can keep it to 30 click-through conversions to 30 days. That's fine, or more if you like. You want, this is really important, you want this to be checked, so include these conversions in your conversion columns. This is extremely important. And then your attribution model, which ones are you using? It really depends on your business. If it's some kind of like an emergency business where you're calling a plumber or a locksmith, you will not be phoning them regularly unless you've got lots of issues or you keep losing your keys. And for someone like plumbers or locksmith, you're in an emergency, you want somebody to come through and help you out straight away, and you won't be going through lots of different websites and taking your time to see who is offering the best deal. So in that case, you may want to go on the first click, or you can go also on the time decay, which is if you got several clicks before a conversion happens. So for the time being, I'm just going to put it on first click, taking into account that we are setting up a campaign for an emergency kind of business. And once you create this, that is it. So you will not get any tags to implement on your website. That is it. The extension has been set up and you're done. And you'll see over here, I mean, this is my test account, so you'll see lots of different call conversions, but this is what I had set up. Obviously right now it will say no recent conversions, but once the conversions start to come through, this will change. Okay, so let's go back to our ads and extensions, and then we go plus, not there, extensions, plus, and then you select the call extension. Now if you got different locations and different campaigns for different locations, then you can either set up at campaign or ad group level. For this exercise, I'm just going to keep it simple, keep it at account level. So no matter how many more campaigns you set up after this one, the extension will be shown at on every campaign and ads. You can either create a new one or you can use an existing one. So I've set this up. I'm going to just click on that. In fact, I'll do a new one so I can show you how we use it. Then I'll go United Kingdom and put in my phone number. Call reporting is turned on, and then from here the conversion action, that is the important bit. I'll select that, and this is where you set up your the time or the days. So if you don't want your ads to show up on the weekends, you can run Monday to Fridays or any individual days with a certain time frame. So if I want to, like Monday to Fridays, I don't want to show my call extension at midnight when we are closed. Where is it? 9 o'clock till, let's say, 5. And once this is set up, you're all good to go. Now you don't need to worry about doing anything, and you will see that the call extension, not this one, there, has been set up, and it's going to start running. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for you to be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. We also go live every weekday on YouTube. If you've got any questions or problems you're experiencing, then by all means please join in, and I'll be happy to answer them for you. So thanks for joining in, and I look forward to seeing you sometime soon. Bye for now.